transformational SRF from Zero Motorcycles has already won every meaningful distinction that an electric motorcycle can be awarded. Acclaimed and celebrated by titans in the industry, the SRF marked a significant milestone in the evolution of all motorcycles, electric or otherwise. Zero is back to elevate this model to new heights with equipment inspired by the company's factory race build from the 2019 Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. Introducing the Zero Quickstrike package for SRF. Limited to only 100 individually numbered packages worldwide to preserve the event's exclusivity, the Quickstrike package delivers race-inspired performance parts to construct the ultimate SRF. The face of the extremely limited Quickstrike is unmistakable, starting at the front of the bike with a streamlined carbon fiber front fender that sits below a black aluminum fly screen, bookended by smoked lens LED front and rear indicators, and followed by another carbon fiber fender on the rear wheel. Quickstrike riders tuck in behind premium mirrors, bar ends, and lever guards that all elevate the cockpit's experience. A Quickstrike motorcycle never rests, it waits. Between rides, the aluminum rear stand spools keep the motorcycle poised, coiled, and ready for the next thrilling ride. Limited edition, unlimited precision. The Zero Quickstrike package